Your phone screen doesn't have to be boring. Imagine waking up to your favorite memory, a cute pet moment, or a short travel clip playing right on your lock screen. This quick trick will bring your phone to life, whether you're using a Samsung like me, a Tecno, Infinix, OnePlus, or even an iPhone. So if you thought this was just for Galaxy phones, don't scroll. I'll show you how to do it on yours too. Let's make your screen pop. So to make your screen a live memory, let's start by going to the gallery app. So this is like I'm demonstrating on Samsung first, and I'll show you for other phones. So you go to your gallery. So this, and then I'll choose this video. Let me find the video to use here. All right, I'll use this video. So choose the video you want to use, then tap these three dots here. Tap these three dots on the top right menu here, and then select set as wallpaper. You tap that, choose either lock screen or call background. So on Samsung, the video wallpapers don't work on the home screen by default, but I can show you the workaround later. Okay, so you can set it as a lock screen. All right, and then maybe trim the video to like maximum of 15 seconds, and then tap done. Okay, so on Samsung phone you can only apply video wallpaper to lock screen or call background, but don't worry, I'll show you a workaround at the end if you want it on your home screen too. So when you're done, you say done. Okay, all right, so for other phones, for other Android phones, now if you have like Tecno, Infinix, iPhone, the steps are slightly different but just as simple. So let's go over them. All right, so you open your gallery or photo app, you select the video, and you tap the menu or more option, the three dots like here too, and then you choose set as wallpaper. You select lock screen and home screen if supported, trim if needed, then apply. So on phones like Infinix, Tecno, Infinix and Tecno, you may be able to apply to both home and lock screen. So explore both options if available. Now for iPhone users, you need to convert your video into a live photo first. So first you download Into Live app. You download the Into Live app. The name of the app is Into Live from App Store. Then import your video, convert the live video, and save. Now you go to settings, then to wallpaper, then choose add new wallpaper, then live photo. Select the live photo and tap set as lock screen. So live photo work only on the lock screen and must be pressed to animate unless you're using like iOS 17. In the newer iOS versions, the animation may play automatically. Now this is for all devices. If you want your home screen to move too, you can try a third-party app like Video Live Wallpaper. That's the name of the app. Video Live Wallpaper on Android, or Into Live Pro on iPhone. So these apps offer more freedom in how and where your video wallpaper shows up. So if you found this helpful, give it a thumbs up, subscribe or follow my channel or my Facebook page, and share with someone who loves customizing their phone. Got question? Drop them in the comments.